Morning students, in this class I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus first chapter set language. In that exercise 1.1 and 1.2 already I have completed. This is exercise 1.3 sixth sum. So using the set symbols, write down the expressions for the shaded region in the following. So set operations union, intersection, difference, symmetric, complement, all these are set operations. So we have to identify what type of set operation is there from the given Venn diagram and we have to write it. That's all. So this one is universal set U and this is set X and set Y. In this only this Y is shaded. That is set Y is shaded. So, this one is fully X set and this one only this Y part, that is that intersection part is not there. So this one is X minus Y. So when you take two sets, we will take the common elements from both the set and we will remove the Y elements. Whatever common you have, that you will remove from the first set and you will write only the remaining elements in the X set. So it is like this only. So this one is X minus 1. Okay, understood? Then second one is universal set is there. Universal set is alone shaded. This X set and Y set is not shaded. So X and Y, if you take all the elements, that is X union Y. This is X union Y, but that element is not the X union Y. That elements are not shaded. The remaining elements from the universal set is shaded. So X union Y, the whole dash. So what is X union Y? All the elements of X and Y. So that is not shaded. So the remaining elements from the universal set is shaded. So that is X union Y, the whole dash. What is X union Y, the whole dash? Universal set minus X union Y. Universal set minus X union Y. This is only X union Y, the whole dash. So if you take these two sets, that is X union Y and the universal set, common elements from both the sets we will remove and only the remaining elements from the universal set we will take. So this is similar to that only. So X union Y, the whole dash. Then this one is this is universal set. This is X and Y. Only the elements of X is shaded here and only the Y set is shaded. Intersection is not shaded. So if this alone is shaded, that is X alone is shaded without the intersection element of Y, we will say that as X minus Y. Okay, common elements we will take. Remaining element from the X alone we will take. So that is X minus Y, this one. Then the same way here also, Y minus X. This side Y minus X. Here in this diagram it is given, it is combined, both these things are combined. So X minus Y union Y minus X. This is the set. Next sum is, let A and B are two overlapping sets and the universal set U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Okay, so 7 sums are given. We are asked to draw the Venn diagram for the given thing with set A and B and the universal set. Okay, so first one is A union B. We are asked to draw Venn diagram for A union B. So universal set U, set A and set B. This is A and B. Okay, so we are asked to find A union B. First thing is A union B. So A union B means we will combine all the elements of both the sets and we will write it. So this is A, then this one is B. Since we will write this only one time, that shading will be like this. That intersection, we won't be writing it one more time. Only one time we will write that intersection part. So this is A union B, first one. Then second one is A intersection B. Intersection means what? So this is A union B. Then the second one is A intersection B. Intersection means what? Common elements between both the sets. So universal set, set A and set B. Set A and set B. So this is common elements between both the sets. So this is the intersection part. So this is A intersection B. Okay. Then third one is A intersection B the whole dash. A intersection B the whole dash. So what is A intersection B? Only this part. So A intersection B the whole dash means we should not shade, we should not take that A intersection B, the remaining elements from the universal set and also from A and B we will do. Okay. So this one is universal set, set A, set B, set A and set B. So here A intersection B is only this part, common part between the set A and B. So the remaining elements from the universal set also we will take. Okay. So that is A intersection B the whole dash. So this one also, set A also we will be shading. Only that intersection part we won't shade. So this is A. This is A intersection B the whole dash. Then fourth one is B minus A the whole dash. B minus A the whole dash. So what is B minus A the whole dash? Universal set minus B minus A. Okay. So Venn diagram, universal set, set A, set B. Set A, set B. So what is B minus A? Common elements we will take from B and A. Only the elements, the remaining elements from B. That is only B minus A. So B minus A is this one. B minus A is this part. Only this B element is B minus A. So here universal set minus B minus A. So B minus A is only this part. So that we have to remove, and universal set, remaining elements from the universal set you have to shade it. Okay. So remaining elements. So this part is B minus A. So this part is B minus A. So B minus A the whole dash is, we will remove only that part. All the remaining elements you have to write. That is, all the other things you have to shade. Other parts you have to shade. Okay. Then fifth one. Fifth sum is A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash is universal set A, B. So in this A union B the whole dash, A dash union B dash. So what is A dash? Universal set minus, so A dash is universal set minus A. So universal set is all the full elements from A dash. That is, this alone you will remove. This part only, this side only you will remove. The remaining things you will shade. That is A dash. Okay. So union B dash. So the same way you have to do the B dash also. Same way you have to do the B dash also. So A dash is universal set. This is A dash. This is A dash. A will be removed. The remaining elements you will write. B dash is the same way. So this is A dash. B dash is the same way. B elements you will remove. The balance element, that is elements of A and the universal set you will shade. So this is union of A dash and B dash. So this part also will be shaded. So this is A dash union B dash. So this part is A dash union B dash. Then fifth sum is over. Then sixth one. So sixth one is A dash intersection B dash. So common elements from A dash and B dash set you have to write. Common elements from A dash and B dash you write. So A dash is what? Only you will remove the elements of A, remaining you will write. Similarly, B dash also we will remove the B elements and we will write. So the common element will be the universal set. Only that universal set will be this set. That is A dash intersection B dash. So universal set A, B, universal set A, B. So A dash intersection B dash will be only the universal set. So this will be the intersection part of A dash and B dash. So this will be the intersection part of A dash and B dash. A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Then 6 sums over. Seventh one. What do you observe from the diagram 3 and 5? So what is the third one? This is the third one. A dash intersection B dash. This is the third one. And fifth one is this one. So what can you observe from this? So we can observe that these two diagrams are equal. These two diagrams are same. These two diagrams are same. So we can say that A intersection B, the whole dash, is equal to A dash union B dash. So this is the thing we have observed from the third one. Third one is A intersection B, the whole dash, is equal to A dash union B dash. So we have observed that both the sets are equal. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Remaining sums I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.